sholoko. Oso science engifuna basukume basho ukuthi ubhejane mawulapha ubizwa ngokuthi uyini. Ngoba i-cure phela ngiyazi mina obisilungu lezo. Ukuthi umuntu one cure u2 months noma u2 years noma u3 years u5 years iphela ligcina lapho legama elithi cure. Mina azi ukuthi umuntu mayegulelele phansi elethwe enyangeni iyamlapha inyanga akwazi ukuvuka ahamba emfuleni ayo test alusi inkomo kuze kufike usuku lokuthi inyanga imgoduse emise ekhaya. Mayisimisa ekhaya inyanga isiyampothula isikhokhelwa imali yawo. Lo muntu usindile asabuyelanga walala phansi. Usebuyela emsebenzini uyasebenza. Uzizwe ephilile. Ngoba ke thina la enyangeni asikwazi ukukhipha igazi. Senza ama blood test. Kodwa ke ngenhlanhla ke ya kaBhejane abantu bawenza ama blood test. Utholakala ukuthi ivirus ayisekho kumuntu undetectable. Bathi ke all less than 50 copies. Ayibuye futhi ibuye itholakala isibuyile futhi sikhona. Uyaqhubeka nje umuntu nempilo i-CD4 count yakhe iqhubeka ilo increase njalo. Ivirus isemi kanjalo ayitholakala. Ngenxa yokuthi ke angazi ke kuyochaza odokotela lapho ukuthi umuntu ikhona imishini la eSouth Africa ekwazi ukudiagnose umuntu from positive to negative. Ngoba ikhona imishini ekwazi ukudiagnose umuntu from negative to positive. Ngenxa yokutshenwa ke ukuthi ayikho into ekwazi ukubuye ilaphe i-AIDS or HIV. That is why ke mina ngibona ukuthi abanawo umshini okwazi ukuthola ku-positive ukubuyisela ku-negative.
Okay. Tell me just a little bit before we come back about your marketing plans for the rest of Africa. I mean, what
ku marketing ngeke ngikwazi ukwenaba kakhulu khona ngoba ziseningi izinto engishoda ngazo. Ngisashoda ngefactory ne-equipment yakhona ye-manufacture ukuze ngikwazi ukuproduce enough ubhejane. Kuningi okusadinga ukuthi kwenziwe kubhejane. Kusadingwa amafama asotshala ama-plants lawa imithi le ingapheli. Kudingwa kube khona i-factory, kube proper label, la igubhu, proper bottling, ama-proper seal, whatever. Kuningi okusafanele kwenzeka. I-aim yami mina ngangithi ubhejane ugovernment uzoqeda ukwenza i-research ngawo. Athola ukuthi ubhejane uyi-cure noma ulapha lento iphela unomphela. Abese bake esukuma nethi as a country eSouth Africa iSouth Africa ithole ubhejane. Kungashiyo ukuthi ugwala uqhamuke nobhejane individual. Ngoba mina mangingedwa ngeke ngikwazi ukucover the whole world. Ngoba phela i-HIV ikhona umhlaba wonke. That is why ke manje sengena ko DA kungena o TAC kungena yonke inhlangano lezi zepolitiki zingena kulento. Engazi ukuthi ziziswa yini la ngoba there are many imithi ekumarket abakhuluma nge-HIV and AIDS kodwa abayenzi follow up yabo ababoshwa labo bantu. Kodwa kubhejane ziningi itori ngiyaboshwa yilokhu nalokhu kuningi nje okwenzekayo. Well ke ugovernment ekowaziyo ukuthi uyogcina enzeni ngobhejane. Uma ugovernment ebona ukuthi ubhejane uyowufaka ethenga umuthi esebonile ukuthi kufanele enze i-clinical trial uzokwenza lokho. Mina my hands are open for everybody. Ngoba na i-DA ngayitshena ukuthi ukube i-DA izile kumina before sit down sikhulume naye ukuthi what is ubhejane is. Ubhejane uhambe indawo engakanani. Ngabe sine understanding ukuthi ubhejane uyini. Manje ivele yalwa nje nami ithathela le ukuthi amukho umuntu oze kumina wazobuza ukuthi uBhejane uhambe maphi namaphi. Far as I understand, mina uBhejane i-African medicine ayinawo ama-lab i-African medicine, ayinawo ama-university la izokwenziwa khona ngoba inyanga vele zikhona. I believe ukuthi 80% wabantu la eSouth Africa before baye ko-doctor baqale inyangeni, abanye baye ku-doctor babuye baze enyangeni. Inyanga ayikazi yambulala umuntu if iwazi lowo muntu, ngoba nazo inyanga kunama-specialist einyanga ukuthi lo specializer ngokuthi, specializer nge-meningitis, specializer ngomeqo, specializer ngayo. Akaze inyanga ibulale umuntu. Masiya ngala kodokotela, any hospital la eSouth Africa, isibhedlela ngasinye ngasinye, asikho isibhedlela esingenayo imoshwari. Why? Ngoba ama-specialist akhona, yonke inhlobo yama-specialist ey'bhedlela, kodwa moshwari ikhona. Ngoba ukufa ukaNkulunkulu, umuntu uyafa, uNkulunkulu usethandile ukuthi afe. Amukho udokotela okaphucwa ilayisensi ukuthi eKing Edward kufa ama-patient awu-3, kufa ama-patient awu-4 asemoshwari aphucwa ilayisensi yakhe. No. Kodwa la kuBhejane iDA ifuna ukwazi ukuthi bangaki abantu abafayo. Ngenhlanhla yami ke abantu la kuBhejane abafi. Kufa umuntu obevele ezofa kuthiwe ephenywa lo muntu tholakala ukuthi ubulewe i-treatment abeyidla yena engayazi mina, enama-side effects, kwayambolisa isibindi, yamshaya ngezinzwa. Baningi abantu abadayilazwayo nge-kidney failure. Lapha kudayilazing machine akubuyi umuntu, abantu bayafa. Kodwa la kumina kuBhejane hayi lento ayinawo ama-side effects. So long nje mangazile ukuthi umuntu uphethwe yini, ngizomnika i-treatment eqondene naleyo nto.
Tell me, how does it work when a person comes here? What is, I mean, first of all, explain to me, can people be on ARVs and take Ubajani? And then secondly, I want to know, just tell me a little bit about what you know about ARVs and Ubajani.
Far as I know, I can't talk very well about ARVs. Ngoba mina ama-ARVs angikwazi ukuthi aqhamukaphi. And uBhejane abantu bayawazi ukuthi uqhamuka kugwala. Banama-phone number kagwala, bafona direct ku-founder kaBhejane. Ama-ARVs asiwazi ukuthi aqhamukaphi. Angikhumbula ama-patient ami la ekwazi ukufona direct ku-manufacturer yama-ARVs abuze ukuthi a-complain ukuthi manje isibindi sami sesikhukhumele, izinso zami sezibuhlungu, whatever. Manje ngeke ngikwazi ukukhomenta kakhulu ngama-ARVs, kodwa what I know, awami ama-patient awuhlanganisa uBhejane nama-ARVs ngoba asikho i-study okwake kwamonithwa labantu bedla le combine ama-ARVs noBhejane. Ngiye ngithi umuntu akhethe adle ama-ARVs angawudla uBhejane, adle uBhejane ongakawadla ama-ARVs. Ngaleyo ndlela ke angiboni kukhona ke la kufanele ukuthi kushayisane khona. Although ke ngeke lokho ngikugaranti 100% ngoba phela abantu angiba-treat-eli la endlini. Umuntu ngimnika uBhejane agoduke nawe ekhaya uyodla uBhejane. Kanti mhlambe lo muntu odla ama-ARVs adla uBhejane nama-ARVs ngisuke ngekho lapho ngoba usuke udlela ekhaya lakhe. Kodwa what I tell him mina la kumina, please ama-ARVs angahlangani noBhejane.
Tell me now, how does it work? If somebody comes here to get a Ubajani, do you examine them? Do you have people have a consultation with them? Or can they just buy Ubajani?
No.
And what does it cost? What does it cost? I need to know. And also, do people need to take it for life? Or can you take it and then you're going to get better? Or do you need to take it forever?
No. Okokuqala nje Ama-patient amayefika kumina uma i-patient yami iqala ukuza kumina kufuna ibonane nami uma ngikhona ngoba manje sengibhizi kakhulu manje la ekhaya benginamafayili ngisebenza ngamafayili ama-patient amnanje i-file cabinet lapho igcwele amafayili ama-patient ami. First visit umuntu uyatholakala i-weight yakhe ukuthi ungakanani, i-weighting njani, nama-complain, udle i-treatment ye-TB, uyakhwehlela, unjani, yonke leyo nto ibhalwe phansi in black and white for kwenziwe ifayili yakhe abekwe la. Then-ke abe senikezwa-ke i-treatment, ahambe kadle i-treatment. Awudliwi ubhejane for life, udla ubhejane according to i-viral load yakhe leyo patient ukuthi ingakanani. If usekuthiwa less than 50 copies undetectable, uyawuyeka ubhejane aqhubeke nempilo yakhe. Every after 12 months okwenza i-blood test ukuthi anything reverse back, kutholakala ukuthi ayibuyi le virus. Baningi babuyela emsebenzini bayisebenzela basawudla ubhejane. Awudliwa unomphela, udla uyeke zukane futhi wathola i-accident ubuyeke uzokhandwa futhi again ngoba i-workshop le. Ngoba mina ngendlela engibuka ngayo asikabi nayo, asikayitholi indlela yokupreventa i-HIV and AIDS. Khona i-condom kodwa mina ngendlela yami i-condom akuyona yokupreventa i-HIV and AIDS, eyokupreventa i-pregnancy. Ngoba uma uhlangana nomuntu manje ipartner yakho nitholene manje lo muntu ku-fully blown AIDS awumazi wena, uneyilonda emlonyeni, amagums avulekile, omunye amagums akhe ayopha, niyakhisana very strongly, ekupheleni kwesikhathi kwekhani nofaka i-condom already emlonyeni isingenile lento. Ngaleyo ndlela mina ngibona ukuthi la eSouth Africa asikabi nayo indlela yokuprevent i-AIDS. Ngama-results-ke kabhejane ukuthi akwazi ukugqokisa ama-cells ku-virus noma inhloboni ye-virus ukuthi ingangeni kuma-cells. Ngibona kuyile ndlela yodwa ekwazi ukupreventa i-AIDS ubhejane ngoba i-condom siqala emlonyeni, sivumelekile ukuromensana emlonyeni singafakile i-condom ngoba yike yomlomo. Ngibona kanjalo.
What does it cost?
Awubiza ubhejane ngoba u-2 litre uyi-171 rand. U-2 litre kuhlukene khona okwe-CD4 count, khona okwe-virus, bese kuba khona uphondo-ke lwenyawo ezibuhlungu, abacomplaina ngey'nyawo ukuthi zibuhlungu, izinso, uphondo liyasiza khona.
Is there anything else you want to tell me about this? I mean, whilst I've been sitting here, I mean, I can't believe how many people are coming in all the time. I mean, is business good?
No, umqondo wami angifocusile kakhulu ku business. Into engifocuse kakhulu kuyona ukuthi ifike nginayo ukuthi ngizokwazini ukuproducer ubhejane ozokwazi ukunela abantu abafikayo la bezofuna ubhejane. Ngoba abantu bayizela la bazofuna ubhejane. Angibize umuntu, akho ngisho iboard la eminyango ibhalwe kwala ubhejane, akho lutho. Abantu bayizela ngoba bayazi ukuthi bayatshenana ukuthi basindala ekhaya. Ngaleyo ndlela ke ngike ngasho ekuqaleni from the beginning ukuthi i-aim yami ngangema ukuthi ugovernment we-South Africa uyena ozothi mayiseqedile ucwaningo abesesukuma-ke stand up athi i-South Africa ithole lokhu. Njengamanje amukho ngisizayo, ngingedwa nje, angisizwa muntu. Manje always ngihlale nginovalo lokuthi ubhejane wami abantu bazowuthola na ngendlela abantu abaningelela kubona. Manje neimali zo clinical trial anginazo, no neimali zokuya ku MRC enze ucwaningo kuregister wamedicine nangenazo. Ugovernment ungiyekele kanti bengithembe ukuthi ugovernment uzongisiza akwazi ukuyithatha lento kube esizwe sase South Africa ikwazi iSouth Africa ukusiza amanye amazwe angaphandle. Ilelo phupho lami enginalo. Angikho ku business emqondweni wami. Imqondo wami usekutheni uPejani ungafika yini eTanzania. UPejani uyofika yini eKenya. UPejani uyofika yini eSwaziland, Botswana or wherever. Kodwa ngaphandle kagovernment weSouth Africa ngeke uPejani ukwazi ukufika yonke indawo. Kodwa ugovernment uma ethatha uPejani as a solution yalento le ye-HIV